So now we're going to do a body scan meditation. And the one thing you're going to notice, this is different than some other body scans in that we're not going to try to change anything. We're just going to notice what's going on. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes, or if you prefer, you can keep your eyes partially open, looking at the floor. And so you can just begin by taking a breath or two to bring your attention inward. And I want you to begin by bringing your attention to your left big toe. Just notice if there's any sensation you feel. It might be the pressure of a shoe, the temperature of the room. Just notice what's there. And now you could expand your awareness to your feet, to both feet. Just notice what's there without judging whether it's good or bad, preferred or unpreferred. And now you can start moving your attention to your ankles and calves. Again, here you might feel an article of clothing, a sock, the air in the room. You might not feel much at all, and that's okay too. Just notice what that's like. And then you can continue to move your attention into your knees, thighs, and hips. Again, often feeling an article of clothing is one of the first things you may notice. And now slowly move your attention up your back, starting with your lower back and moving up the spine to the mid-back, slowly moving up to your shoulders. And again, you just want to notice what you're experiencing. It's not uncommon to have areas that are uncomfortable or even painful. It's also common to have areas where you don't feel much at all. Just notice what's there, trying to resist the temptation to judge anything as good or bad. Just be curious. If there's discomfort, try to notice. Does it stay in one place? Does it move around? Does it change in intensity? Is it sharp or dull? As much as you can, resist the temptation to try to push it away or wish it away, and try to just be curious for a moment about it. And now shift your attention to your hands, noticing what you feel there, which may be the texture of your clothes, the temperature in the room, a piece of jewelry or a watch. Just notice what you're experiencing there. And then slowly move your attention up your arm, to your elbow, and to your upper arms. Again, just noticing the sensations or lack of sensations without judging. Now you can go ahead and move your attention into your shoulders and your neck, an area where many of us have tension. And then slowly move your attention up the back of your head to your scalp. Again, this is an area where you may not feel much at all, but you may notice your hair, the temperature of the room. And then keep moving your attention up your scalp towards your forehead. And then slowly move your attention down your face, forehead, eyes, cheeks, nose, mouth, and jaw. Just noticing areas where there's tension or discomfort, or areas with not much sensation. Just trying to be curious about it without judging it as good or bad. Now take a moment to just scan your whole body one last time. Just noticing where it's at. And then you can go ahead when you're ready and take a few deep breaths and open your eyes. Hopefully feeling a little more refreshed and ready to move on about your day.